Good morning. I'm going to be reading you guys the story called Man on the Moon by Anastasia Suen. It is reading counts. It is 1 point, so you can listen to the story and then take the quiz. Man on the Moon. Moon, do you remember your first visitors? It was 1969. Astronauts Collins, Aldrin, and Armstrong suited up. Each had flown in space, but no one had ever touched the moon. No one. Some said it couldn't be done. Astronauts Collins, Aldrin, and Armstrong were going to try. Into Apollo 11 they climbed. The countdown began. 3, 2, 1, and liftoff. Liftoff. Apollo 11 has cleared the tower. Saturn V shot them into the sky. Around the Earth they flew as the rockets dropped off. Then whoosh! Straight for the moon. Hours and days had passed. The people on Earth watched the astronauts on TV. Over and over the capsule turned. Suddenly, the sky went dark. It was the moon. For the first time, Apollo 11 saw the moon. The astronauts circled, looking for a place to land. In the morning, their spacecraft would separate. Columbia, named after Columbus, would sail around the moon. The Eagle, like a bird, would fly there. The next day, Aldrin and Armstrong climbed into the Eagle. Collins, in Columbia, pressed a button, and off the Eagle flew. Buttons and gadgets, switches and lights, alarms ring again and again. In the control room, Houston said, "Go!" The Eagle flew on. On the moon, craters loomed. The Eagle was going too fast. Armstrong took the controls and began to fly. Houston and the Earth waited. 50 feet, 30 feet, contact. Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. With cameras rolling as millions watched, astronaut Neil Armstrong touched the moon. "That's one small step for man," he said, "one giant leap for mankind." Aldrin and Armstrong took pictures, collected rocks, and planted the American flag. Hours later, the Eagle left the moon and linked up with Columbia. Home again, Collins, Aldrin, and Armstrong splashed down in the Pacific Ocean. Some said it couldn't be done. Mike Collins, Buzz Aldrin, and Neil Armstrong proved them wrong and made history. The end. And it says here, men from the planet Earth first set foot on the moon, July 1969. We came in peace for all mankind. All right, so you can go ahead and sign onto Sam, and you can take your reading counts quiz for Man on the Moon by Anastasia Suen. Hope you enjoyed it.